Hello my dear students, today we are going to start the first topic from your textbook. So which is that first topic in the mathematics, that is playing with the numbers. So in that already in the introduction I told some contents are deleted from that. So in that 2 and 3 digit number generalized form is deleted, again the some number games and number puzzles are deleted. So except that means number puzzles, the exercise 1.1 is depending on the number puzzles. So that's why we are not going to study the exercise 1.1. So after that we are starting this topic from the test of divisibility, means we are going to study the directly divisibility rule from that topic here. So here already I wrote some divisibility rules on the board here. So while seeing the video, you have to note down the whatever we wrote on the board here. So I am going to explain these notes here. So divisibility by 10. Already in the 6th standard some divisibility rules already studied here. Now first one is the 10th divisibility rule. So how which number will be divisible by 10 here? So it will be easy way to how we can identify whether the given number will be divisible by 10 or not. So to confuse that, to overcome from that confusion, they given the perfect definition here. So the number which has 0, otherwise in unit place, otherwise the number which ends with 0. The number which ends with 0, that number, any number it may be, so that number is completely divisible by 10 here. So any number it has to be end with 0 here. It has a 0 in its unit place, means that number will be divisible by 10 here. So for example, for this example here, so 10th divisibility rule, example you can write 10. 10 is also all the multiples of 10 will be divisible by 20. 10, 20, 1000, 1100, 1110, 2110. So otherwise 1020. All the which the number ends with 0. Here all the numbers will be ending by 0 now. So these all numbers will be divisible by 10 here. So next one is divisibility rule by 5. What is the divisibility rule of 5 here? Divisibility by 5. So which numbers are divisible by 5? So the numbers which ends with 0 or 5. The number which has end anyone 0 or 5. So it has a 0 or 5 in its unit place. That time the number will be divisible by 5 here. So means here example you can guess here. Yes, 5, 15, 25, 20, 35, 2005. So these examples will be divisible by, these numbers will be divisible by 5. So here first this is single digit, that is a 5. So 5 is divisible by 500. 15 it has a 5, it ends with a 5. 25 also ends with a 5. 20 also ends with a 5. 35 also ends with a 5. 2005 also ends with a 5. So here 2010. So this is also ends with 0 here. So it will be ends with 0. So this is also divisible by 5. So here any number which ends with 0 or 5. 0 or 5 means that will be divisible by 5 here. But now it is easy to identify whether the given number will be divisible by 5 or not. So if you know the definition or this trick, it is easy to divisible. So next one, divisibility by 2. Already you all know, already you studied in the 6th standard. Divisibility by 2 means all the even numbers or the number which has a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in their units place. Otherwise the number which ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So that number is divisible by 2 here. So for example, 22, 34, 68, 72, 1004, 2458. Yes, so here this number 2, 4, 8, 7, 4, 5. So which number will be ends with the even numerals? So that number will be completely divisible by 2 here. So means here which are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. The number has to be even or that will be ends with the 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So these numbers will be divisible by 2 here. Okay dear students, so next divisibility rule by 9 and 3. So what is the divisibility rule of 9? Which number will be divisible by 9? So the number which is divisible 9 if and only if when the sum of the digits of the given number has to be divisible by 9. How like? So for example, consider any one number here 108. Example of this one. So this is a 108 is a given number. So whether it will be divisible by 9 or not. How to check this one? So don't sit with the, doing divisibility directly you can. So 108 is a given number. So whichever the digits of the given number is 1, 0 and 8. So add all these numbers 1, 0 plus 8. 1 plus 0 plus 8. So 1 plus 0 that is 0. 0 plus 8 that is a 9. Yes. So it 9 is divisible by 9. Yes. That 9 is divisible by 9 means the given number is 108 is divisible by 9 here. Means what? If any given number all the sum of the digits of the given number will be divisible by 9, so automatically given number will be divisible by 9 here. If the sum of these digits is 9, so if this 9 will be divisible by 9, so means the given number is divisible by 9 here. So check one more example, that is 170. So here 170 whether it is be divisible by 9 or not. So how like? So 1 plus 1 plus 7. So 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So this 9 is divisible by 9. So given number is 117 is also divisible by 9 here. Got now students? So like that only divisibility rule of 3 here. So what is the divisibility rule of 3? Both are similar only. How like the sum of the numbers will be divisible 9? Here if the given numbers digit sum will be divisible by 3 means whole number will be divisible by 3 here. Here also if any given number the sum of the digits of that given number will be divisible by 3, the complete number is divisible by 3 here. Complete number will be divisible by 3 here. So consider examples here 2430. So whether 2430 will be divisible by 3 or not. So they will ask check the divisibility rule of 3 for 2430. How like? So whether it will be divisible by 3 or not. So don't sit with doing long lengthy method, don't apply the long lengthy method, don't go through the tables and doing division. So that is a bigger thing here. So only simple way, we have to use the tricks here. So add all the numbers here, which are those 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 0, all the digits. So add 2 plus 4 that is a 6, 6 plus 3 that is a 9, 9 plus 0 that is 9 only. So the sum of all the digits has got 9. So whether this 9 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes? 3 3 is 9. So 9 is divisible by 3 means 2430 is also divisible by 3. Got now? Both are similar, only instead of writing 3 3 there you have to write 9 9. One more thing, the numbers which will be divisible by 3, that all numbers are not divisible by 9 here. Got na? So whichever the numbers are divisible by 9, they can divisible by 3. But all the numbers which are divisible by 3, they can't divisible by 9 here. Got na? So 9, the number is divisible by 9, it will be divisible by 3. But all the numbers which divisible by 3, all numbers are not divisible by 9 here. Remember this one. Very easy divisibility rules, you have to practice it. You have to by heart it. It will be forever in your mind. Got na? Now we will see some examples on divisibility rules. Some examples I already wrote on the board here. So check first example. Check the divisibility of 2,14,36,587 by 9. So check whether this number will be divisible by 9 or not. So then how to check? So add all the digits of the given number. So therefore solution, sum of the digits of the number, which one that? 2,14,36,587. So what it will become? 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7. How much it will become? 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 5, 21, 21 plus 29, 29 plus 7, that will become a 36. Yes or no? So whether this 36 will be divisible by 9? So check, 36 will be divisible by 9 or not? Yes, it will be divisible by 36, 9 4s are 36 here. So means 36 will be divisible by 9. So 36 is divisible by 9. By 9, therefore 2,14,36,587 is also divisible by 9 here, also divisible by 9. So add all the digits from the given number. If the whatever the sum we will get, if that sum will be divisible by 9, the whole number will be divisible by 9 here. Yes or no? So next one, same. Check the divisibility of 1,52,875 by 9. So here also add all of these. Means sum you have to sum of the digits of given number, otherwise you can write whole number here. Which number they given? That one. So 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5. So it will be 6 or 7, 8, 8, 16, 16, 17, 16, 35, 35, 28. So it will be 28. So whether this 28 is divisible by 9? No. So 28 is not divisible by 9 here. So therefore the given number is also not divisible by 9. 28 is not divisible by 9. Therefore given number which were that 1,52,875 is also not divisible by 9. So must and should writing the conclusion is very necessary. So without conclusion the solution does not ends here. Got now how to solve the given examples here? First you have to find the sum of the given digits. If that sum will be divisible by the 9, so then the complete given number will be divisible by 9. So the same as next one. So here check the divisibility rule of 3 here. So for the 3 here given. So here 21,46,587 number they given. Check whether this number will be divisible by 3 or not here. Therefore sum of digits of given number okay. So add 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7. Add all these two. So add all these two 33. So sum will become 33. So whether 33 will be divisible by 3 or not? Yes, 33 will be divisible by 3. So it will be divisible by 11. So 11 3s are 33 or 3 11s are 33. So if the 33 is divisible by 3, therefore the number, so which one that? 21,46,587 is divisible by 9. So these are the tests of divisibility. So I hope you all are understood. So depending on these, exercise 1.2 is there. Please try to solve, and some more examples also they given in textbook. You have to try to solve. If you are facing any confusion, you can contact me. So in the next session I will solve the exercise 1.2 depending on divisibility rules. So once again I am remembering that exercise 1.1 is depending on puzzles. That's why that exercise we are not going to study. So directly divisibility rules and exercise 1.2. After that this topic will be ends here only. Got na? So next session I will solve the exercise 1.2. So stay home, stay safe and keep studying. Thank you students.